8 seconds.
Yes! 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 Hey guys, welcome back. It's a Foxcuber here, and today we'll be doing a reconstruction solve on my personal best. So first of all, I'd like to apologize for not uploading videos recently because I've been busy with my studies right now, so might be uploading more frequently after September or so, so please be patient for that. So this is the only thing I can do for now, so let's get right into the solve. So when I got the scramble, I quickly went for the white cross. I didn't take a look on the other colors, but if you are color neutral, or if you can solve the cross on white, so solve the cross on yellow, so the yellow cross will be easier. So I went for the white cross, but when I was about to solve the white cross, I saw this pair here, which makes me think that I'll probably get an easy F12 case after I solve the cross. So this is what I did. D to move the red edge behind and I solve the cross. Then another D. Then this pair here I solved the pair at the back. Then I saw this pair here. This for this F12 pair is pretty intermediate, so take a look at the description for the elks. Then I did a cube rotation to insert this pair here. Then this pair, luckily I got this pair solved, so I quickly inserted this pair behind. Then finally this F12 case here, pretty easy, right? Then finally a very easy OLL case and an easy PLL case. So let's go through another. So let's go over the solves again. So I solved the white cross. So the cross is easy because the blue and the green are totally opposite sides, so they are very easy to solve. So D prime, L, R prime, F, D prime. Solve cross, this pair here, this pair here, cube rotation, solve, this pair here, and finally this pair. And then easy OLL case, and finally a PLL case. So I would suggest that you learn all PLL case even though you don't learn all OLL case, because there are only few PLL cases compared to OLL where you have to learn all OLL case if you want to be fast, or you want to be sub 15 or sub 10. So I suggest that first take a look on my OLL OLL cases before you advance into full OLL. That's all guys. If you like this video, make sure like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link for all of them are in the description below. Thank you guys, bye.